in the upper 60s. South winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Monday, mostly sunny. Highs around 90. South winds 5 to 15 miles an hour. Monday night, mostly cloudy until midnight, then becoming partly cloudy. Lows in the lower 70s. South winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. And now the extended. The National Weather Service in Louisville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Crawford County in south-central Indiana, southeastern Orange County in south-central Indiana, until 5 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:29 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near English, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include English, Marengo, Curby, Grantsburg, Temple, Valeene, Fargo, Taswell, Bacon, and Hogtown. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.